To get the most out of your Pure 3 system and your air conditioner, start by running the air conditioner before it gets too hot. You simply turn the Pure 3 system on if it's not on already, or turn your inverter on if it's not on already. Park in the shade if it's at all possible. Close your window coverings. Turn your air conditioner on to high cool or low cool using this knob here. And now set your temperature knob to the point where the compressor cycles on and off. Doing so will greatly extend the battery life and your air conditioner runtime.